Hello everyone, I'm back today here with this new delicious prawn pickle recipe. Without taking much time, so let's start the process of making it. These are dried prawns and it contains some unwanted particles within it. So it's needed to clean all these unwanted particles before cooking it. Now the prawns have been properly winnowed and it's time for washing it. We have heated the pot and now it's time to fry it. Here we are using mustard oil. You should keep in mind that whenever you want to make a pickle, you should use only mustard oil and should avoid refined oil. Here I'm adding turmeric powder so that its color will look better. I have added salt in it. This is a very easy and delicious pickle recipe which takes time, only 30 minutes to be cooked. Here the prawns color have turned into a bit yellowish and now is the time to add some garlic and chopped ginger. Here I'm adding red chili powder to get that pungent flavor and also a reddish delicious looks. I'm adding some chilies over it so that it will be spicy and hot in flavor. And here I'm using dry chili flakes. You can see the pickle out here which I'm cooking. It's very hot and spicy with all the local ingredients like garlic and ginger. And to add more spiciness to this pickle, I'm using this Achar masala from Meghalaya delicacy. If you don't get this specific spice, then you can use any of the pickle spice available at your place. In order to make my spice more delicious and tangy, I've used a little bit of vinegar Vinegar also acts as a good preservative if you want to keep this pickle for long months. I have already cooked it for about 30 minutes and now this delicious spicy hot prawn pickle is ready. Now I'll empty all these prawn in a big bowl so that it will become cool. Here I'm using the same pot which I have cooked pickle earlier, and I'm heating this mustard oil in this pot, and once it get heated very properly, I'll keep it aside and let it become cool so that I can pour this oil in my pickle. This hot delicious pickle is ready now to be served with your rice. But here I'm keeping in a big basin so that it will get cool, and once it get cool I'll keep it in a bottle container. These pickles are to be delivered in the city. That's why I have used in a very small cute bottles. This is the oil which I have cooked it earlier, and now it has become cool. So I'm pouring this cold cooked oil. This oil also acts as a preservative. The pickle won't get damaged even after many months. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up, comment, like and share. Thanks for watching.